Our, our big boy is enjoying watching his friends outside there. Hi. You say hi to your friends. Big boy, say hi to your friends na. Birds the birds. Birdie birds. Hi. Enjoy eating the bread. See, they are happy, big boy. What can you say? Big boy. Big boy. You see something? Hello, friends. Good afternoon. Wait. What's that? Huh? Your friends is coming? Did you feed them? What? You're so cute. My big boy. See your... Oh, the big birds there also. Oh. Rusty, come here. Chattering here. Come here. Come, jump here. Ay, nako. Oh, dealer routine. Watching his friends. Oh, Poops, you have a lot. Poops, see it. Enjoying the breads po. Oo. Mga alaga coach. The birds like the milk bread. Uh-oh. Rusty's coming. Poops, can you slow the volume, please? Are you gonna hear Rusty will chattering now? Poops.